Hi everyone, you're welcome to Rokani Sports with me, Juliana. Here is a brief profile of Cristiano Ronaldo's biography, private jets, Posh cars, lifestyle, family, endorsements, and net worth. If you're new to the channel, don't you forget to subscribe. We always keep you updated about your sports stars. Now, his full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Nickname CR7, Chris, Ronnie, the Sultan of the Stepover. Nationality, he's from Portugal, that makes him Portuguese. Date of birth is the 5th day of February 1985. Star sign, Aquarius. Place of birth is Funchal, Madeira in Portugal. He was born in the Santo Antonio, which is in the neighborhood of the Funchal, that is Funchal, Madeira. His religion, nothing is actually known about his religion. Education, the famous soccer player Ronaldo took less interest in studies. He was expelled from school for throwing a chair at the teacher. He was not good among the teachers but with the students. After receiving a suspension from school, his mother decided that Ronaldo should focus entirely on football. Here is his family. Father, Jose Diniz Aveiro. He was born on the 30th day of September 1953 in Santo Antonio, Portugal. He died on the 6th day of September 2005 in London, United Kingdom. Nationality, Portuguese. The mother is Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, born 31st day of December 1954. She is 65 years old. Place of birth, Machico in Portugal. Sisters, Katia Aveiro, born the 5th day of October 1976. She is 43 years old. Place of birth, Madeira, Portugal. The other sister is Elma dos Santos Aveiro, born on the 10th day of March 1973. Brother's name is Hugo dos Santos Aveiro, born 1975. He's 45 years old. Here is Ronaldo's children. Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., born the 17th day of June 2010. Mateo Ronaldo, born the 8th day of June 2017. Eva Maria, born on the 8th day of June 2017. Alana Martina, born on the 12th day of November 2017. Profession is a footballer. Manager / agent is George Mendes. Position is forward. Shirt number 7. Build, athletic. Height 6 feet 1 1/4 or 186 centimeters. Weight is 83 kilograms, or you can call it 183 albs. Race / ethnicity, multiracial. He has Portuguese and Cape Verdean ancestral. Hair color is black. Eye color is hazel. National team is Portugal. Brand endorsements. Ronaldo is one of the few athletes who has a lifetime contract with Nick, Michael Jordan, and LeBron James are the only other two athletes with the same deal worth around $1 billion US, which he signed in 2016. He is also endorsed by Tag Heuer, Herbalife, KFC, EA Sports, American Tourister. His earnings, net worth, and cars. Number 1, he has a Bugatti Chiron. Number 2, a Lamborghini Aventador LP 704. Number 3 is his Audi R8. 4, the Ferraris. 5, Rolls-Royce Phantom. Private jets. Cristiano Ronaldo's private jet is the Gulfstream G650, which costs around 50 million euros. Houses. La Finca Mansion, Ronaldo's La Finca residence, has a price tag of about 6.2 million US, standing on a lot that measures 8,600 square feet. It has 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Al Daley Edge Mansion. Here is that one house Cristiano does not want anymore, a massive property in one of the most exclusive places in the UK. Al Daley Edge in Cheshire Village. It is currently up for sale, which constantly reminds fans that CR7 may never play for Manchester United ever again. Italian Villa. Ronaldo and family are currently still living it up at the modern villa located on San Vito Revigliasco, not far from the Parco di San Vito in the foothills of Turin, Italy. Rumor has it that Cristiano is renting. The home was last on the market for roughly $50,000 US per day. That is all the info that we had for you on Ronaldo. This is Rokani Sports. Don't you forget to subscribe. My name is Juliana. Do stick around.